Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today I'm here to talk to you about an all-new product, the Magnalamp Deluxe. The Magnalamp Deluxe is a hands-free soldering and craft magnifier that also detaches and can be used handheld as well. The two fully adjustable clamps allow you to free up your hands and place the object wherever you need it. There's so many features included with this product, I just think it's an incredible value. The rim-free 2-power acrylic lens delivers nice and sharp detailed images due to its large size and shape. You can adjust the height of the magnifier with the flexible rubber arm above the handle. This is very convenient. The two LEDs underneath the lens are super bright and really help out in low light situations. They're powered by the on-off switch on the side of the handle, and the best part is, they won't burn out like regular incandescent bulbs. What's really neat about the fully adjustable clamps is that you don't need to hold the item while you're soldering. Simply clamp down the item and position down low for optimal magnification. Now you're ready to solder. The Magnalamp Deluxe isn't limited to just soldering. There are a ton of great uses for this device. Use it for craft work, reading, model building, inspection, and lots more. The LEDs are powered by two AA batteries, and since they're stored in the handle, you can use the light in hands-free or handheld mode. I love the versatility of this device, and people seem to find unique uses for it as well. For instance, if you take off the magnifier, you now have a standalone portable HelpingHands device. The durability and overall quality of the Magnalamp Deluxe is just awesome. Whether you're soldering or using it as a handheld magnifier, the Magnalamp Deluxe really helps get the job done. I'm Doug from Carson. Thanks for watching.